Good morning to all. This is Naseem Khayum, Assistant Professor at Department of Engineering Sciences at AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. So today we are going to discuss about a topic called biomass and its applications. So before going to the topic, so we should know about what is biomass generally. So biomass is nothing but this actually biomass this one generally each and every person every day in their day-to-day life we are seeing it and we are facing it. Biomass is nothing but a plant or plant-based waste material which are not used for food. It can be defined as a biomass. So various industrial processes such as raw material can be used for a range of projects. It can be purposely grown energy crops, wood or forest residues, waste from food crops, horticulture, food processing, animal farming, or human waste from sewage plants. So this is the cycle of biomass energy. So generally when we see, so atmospheric CO2 will in turn helps in to grow trees and plants. So that trees and plants we use as a wooden products which can be again decayed as biomass and which can be used to biomass power plant and again it will emit CO2. So this is the basic cycle of the biomass energy or cycle of biomass energy. When coming to its sources, so first one is wood and agricultural products and also solid waste can be termed as a biomass and from that solid waste we can obtain biogas and biodiesel and ethanol and so on. So these are renewable in nature. Why? Because we are we are taking that CO from the atmosphere, we are taking CO2. So and we are converting into useful energy. That's why it can be regarded as a renewable source. So these are the various types of biomass. Garbage we can use and wood, landfill gas, alcohol fuels, different types of crops we can use to extract energy from it. And how to extract energy from biomass. There are different techniques. Among that, first one is combustion. So if you directly do combustion, then it will emit some heat that can be used to heat water heating and that can be used for industrial processing and electricity generation. And the other process is pyrolysis, which can be used to produce charcoal. So pyrolysis is nothing but the material is finely pulverized initially or shredded, then into a reactor and then heated in the absence of flame, which is used to produce charcoal. And one more is anaerobic digestion. This is a recently interest gained by the researchers. So mainly from anaerobic digestion is nothing but in the absence of air, if we produce a gas called CH4 plus CO2 methane along with some residual gases CO2 and hydro H2S in the oxygen free environment. If we decompose it in a sealed tank, then we will get a mixture of CH4 plus CO2 plus hydrogen sulfide and a little bit of ammonia, which is can be termed as a biogas. This gas can be used as a source. And gasification is also one more process which can be produces a flammable gas mixture of hydrogen, carbon monoxide, methane, and other non-flammable byproducts. Fermentation is also another extracting process. What is fermentation? If the biomass used is mostly sugar, which contains mostly sugar, then yeast can be added into it. The fermentation that follows produces alcohol, which is a high energy content, which makes it very practical in cars. While coming to its applications, it can be used in a cooking, water heating, power generation, as a fuel, and as a in waste management process. Especially, we must use this biomass energy extraction process. Thank you.